Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of December, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are doing a follow train and supporting each other by enjoying YouTube content. So I will link all of those ladies down below as well, and we'll go ahead and get started. I need to stuff my envelopes for my high priority and then also my weekly expenses, and then I will move on to my savings challenges. So let's first move this off to the side really quickly and count up what we are stuffing today. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. $480 is what I am stuffing today. I am not ahead on my bills. However, the one bill I am focusing on to make my payment is my rent, and at the time you're seeing this, it is December 1st. So my rent has to be paid no later than the 5th of each month in order to avoid late fees. So definitely don't want to give them money for absolutely no reason at all. So we will go ahead and get this taken care of. I have my cheat sheet off to the side here. All right, so let's jump right into rent, which is getting $328. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Perfect. And we'll go ahead and add this money here. I believe it's all 20s. Typically is. And let me just grab my calculator. Be right back. Alright, so I've grabbed my calculator, and hopefully we have exactly what we need. Let's count it up. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that is exactly what I need. So there's a new payment setup with my leasing office, so I have to go to a location and use a system to make the payment, no longer purchasing money orders. Alright, next up, utilities, getting $5. So we have 10, 15, 20, and I need this change, so we're just going to put a $20 bill in there. Okay. Alright, internet is getting $10 today. I'm banging my Christmas ornaments around. I'm so ready for Christmas. I haven't even gotten any shopping done for my kiddos. I already know what they want. It just so happens that what they originally wanted is no longer available, and the upgrade is available, but it just costs a little more. So I'm figuring that out because I still want them to have, you know, the Christmas they so much deserve. Alright, so phone is not getting anything. It does have $5. Car insurance is getting $20 today. And subscriptions is getting $5. Let's grab that 5. Alright, and now we have 5 and 10. And my memberships is getting $15 today. And memberships now has 10, 25, and let's go ahead and grab a 20. I hope this works out in terms of the amounts that I need. All right, so student loans is not actually student loans because they are still in forbearance. However, that's my savings challenge for the month of December, which we will come back to and work on it. 1 second. All right, so let's go ahead and cash stuff my weekly expenses, and we'll jump right in. Mommy's getting 10 bucks. And gas getting 20. Household getting $10. I believe I was going to do household and pets together with the 20 because I don't have enough change. I think that's what my thought process was. So household and pets, we'll go ahead and put 20 here. Well, we'll go ahead and put 20 here. All right, so my kiddos, $10. And laundry, $10. I did have a few quarters left over from last time, so I'm just going to keep those quarters together and adding that $10 because sometimes it does, you know, help out, especially when, you know, like it's time to wash blankets and things like that. So, all right, so we've gone ahead and done our bills and our weekly expenses, which I will move off to the side. And let's see what we have for savings challenges. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Okay, I thought I had $22, but apparently I have $27 going into my savings challenges. My savings challenge for the month of December will be going into my PTO, just like all of my other savings challenges. I'm taking 3 weeks off while my children are out of school during Christmas break. So let me grab the savings challenge and I will be right back. All right, guys, I think we're ready. I grabbed the December savings challenge, which is available as a freebie linked down below. I did grab a helper as well. Do you want to say hello?
Hi.
This is Victor. He's going to help me with rolling the dice, and then I will fill in the amount because we are doing a roll and save, and we're going to get started. All right.
Okay. Let it on fire.
Okay, so you got to pull $5 and just set it here for now. We want it. All right. Oops. Now roll it again. Oh, $1 or one. Now get $1. Oh, okay. We don't have $1, so just remember 1. We have it here. Roll the dice again. 5. Okay. Okay. Roll the dice again. How about you roll it?
5.
Okay.
All right. 6.
Okay. So now we'll take a 5 and a 2 because we already had 1 and set it there. Okay, so we need 5 or less because otherwise we're going to have an IOU. I'm grabbing my calculator just in case. We have $5. All right, roll the dice, roll a good one, roll a good one, roll a 5. 4, okay. All right, so then we have $1 left and we need a 1. Roll us a 1. A 6. Okay, that's okay. Now we have an IOU for next time. IOU. $5. Okay. All right. So look, this one's almost done. I have it printed out a few more times so I can keep playing. We're going to go ahead and add this money into the savings challenge. But I want to thank Victor so much for coming to help me.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you, honey.
Goodbye.
Mm-hmm. Thanks.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Hold it in. Okay, sorry about that. Wanted to make sure I say goodbye. My dog was trying to come inside of the room here. Okay, let's see here. So this is 27, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27 for the savings challenge. Okay, so we have 3 more rolls and we owe $5 the next time we come together. I was afraid of that. The IOUs are not fun. The good thing about them, though, is that you're saving more money, right? All right. And I have it printed off to the side, so when I'm ready, I can continue on. That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.